Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Evite as a beginner. So the first thing you have to do is to log in to your account or create an account on Evite. If you do not know what Evite is, Evite is a website that allows you to send electronic um, cards to for parties, birthday celebrations, and every form of celebration you have. There are so many here to choose from: Father's Day, Memorial Day, announcements, invitations, for your businesses, your wedding. You could even upload your own here or greeting cards. Just know that they've got you covered in every aspect. It's just like Canva, but the version where you get to actually design all of these cards yourself, or just it's almost very similar to Canva, but this you can add people, you can send to them. Well, it's still very much like Canva, but I really like it because it helps me. The feeling of invitation is something that cannot be over explained. So let's assume I want to send or create a graduation invitation. All I have to do is to go to the graduation section here and click on it. It should bring us a catalog of graduate good. Now we have graduation announcements and graduation invitation. We can choose any of them. We can have the save the date theme, black and white, floral, anyone. We can just choose any of them to go with, and once we are done, we would just once we choose anyone, we would select once we've selected anyone, we'll just go ahead to edit. Then let's choose this black and white. It seems very matured. So once the page is loaded, we will just select a template of choice and proceed to edit. Now there are free versions. There's the free, it has the free one and the premium or paid version. So let's just choose a free one for ease. You can choose this, scroll and click on keep it basic. So once you've clicked on keep it basic, just hold on and the page should appear this way. So once it's like this, just select the text you want to edit. Let's assume I want to edit this text. Let's gather for all. I can just edit it to come. Let's celebrate Ben. So, and then I can choose this. I can edit it, choose the date also, and edit it. Once I'm done, I click on next event, next, which is event details. We cannot add background effect, envelope, or reviews because this is the free version, and those options are only available for the paid or premium versions. So we can now add the event title. We can also add the name. Okay, for I'm just going to give it any just type in anything. Event date, choose any date. You can add your guest of honor. You can also add your co-host. You can, if you have any information for the host, you can add. Next is gifting. This is very much optional, so you would just skip this section to make it faster. So from here we can just click on next to review our whole um, invite and see if it's what it should be. So once we've seen our page, it should appear this way. You can just go through, scan through. If it's what it should be, all you have to do is to click on finish and add guests, and then it will take you to a page where you can add all the guests you want to add on send the link to these guests, and it brings you. Okay, just click on skip since it's the free version we are using. Now you can begin to add your guests. So let's click on add guests. So on this page we can if we have a list, we can paste it. You can also import from Google. If you have a bulk file, you can do that. You can also share a link if you want, or you can add them manually. So depending on what works for you, just all you need to do is to add your guest, and once you are done, click on done, and it will be saved, and the invites will be sent to each of the guests you've added. So, and you get this message: congratulations, your invitation has been created. You can now always manage your events from here. And that is it, guys. So this is basically how to navigate or create anything you want to create on Evite, depending on what you are looking to create. If you want sign up sheets, you can create from here: greeting cards, thank you cards, businesses, parents teacher, PTA meetings, the graduation, games, school events, and the rest. So if this video has been helpful to you in any way, guys, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.